Welcome to this episode of Cooking with Kirby. Today we're going to be making some banana nut bread. This recipe is really easy, and if you have some old bananas, do not throw them away. Put them in the freezer, because days like this you can make banana nut bread. So no further ado, let's get into the recipe so I can show you how to make it. Since you're here, hit the like and subscribe button and make sure that the notification bell is rang. Check me out on social media, that way you can get notification of all my new recipes. For our ingredients, we're going to start off by needing 2 cups of all-purpose flour, a half a cup of white sugar, a half a cup of brown sugar, and a half of a teaspoon of salt. You're going to need 1 stick of softened butter or 8 tablespoons, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, and also 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 2 teaspoons of ground cinnamon, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, a half a cup of whole milk, 3 over-ripened bananas. These were frozen, so that's why they look a lot softer. And finally, we're going to need 1 cup of chopped walnuts. In a large mixing bowl, you want to add your flour, baking soda, baking powder, and the cinnamon. And go ahead and give that a mix. In a separate bowl, you want to add the bananas and the lemon juice, and you want to go ahead and mix that together. Now we're going to add our softened butter, and we're going to mix that into our banana mix. Now we're going to add in our white sugar, brown sugar, and our salt mixture, and we're going to mix that together. Now back to the large mixing bowl, we're going to be adding in our eggs, vanilla extract, our milk, the banana mixture, and the walnuts. If you're using an electric mixer, you want to set it to the low setting and you want to mix it for about 2 minutes. What you're looking for is a nice smooth consistency. As you can see, this batter looks pretty much just like cake batter, but that's what you're looking for, is a nice smooth consistency. Now you want to take a bread pan and you want to go ahead and butter it, and you want to oil the sides on all 4 sides, including the bottom. Now that your pan is oiled, you want to flour just a little bit, just a couple pinches of flour, and you want to get some of that flour on all 4 sides. And if it's giving you a little issues on spreading out, just give it a little tap so that we can spread the flour around. Now we're going to pour our batter into our bread pan, and we're going to give it a little pound and shake so that way we get the batter to be nice and even throughout the bread pan. Now we're going to take our bread pan and we're going to put it in the oven. The oven should be preheated at 350 degrees. We're going to let that cook for 1 hour and 10 minutes. You want to check it in an hour, give it the toothpick or fork test to see if you have any batter. But once it's done, you have a nice fluffy golden brown banana nut bread, and it's very delicious.
Goodbye.
Yeah. As you can see, kid approved. Those are my biggest critics in this whole house. I really don't care what anybody else thinks. It's those 3 right there is who I have to make happy. If they like it, I win. So, if you're new to my channel, hit that subscribe button so I will see future videos just like this and many more. If you have any questions or comments, go ahead and leave it down in the comment section, and I'll get back to you shortly. As always, I'll leave the link in the video description and in the comment section so that way you can get the full printable recipe at cookingwithkirby.com. Oh yeah, I have these other recipes. They're really good. You should try them out. Now y'all be beautiful and take care.